How to activate Chase debit card on app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to activate Chase debit card on app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for chase.com. Now, tap on the Sign In option on the top right of your screen and further enter your login credentials, that is, your username and your password, and then tap on the Sign In button in order to log yourself in. And if you do not remember your login credentials, then you can also tap on the Forgotten Your Sign In Details option and further recover your login credentials and log in further. Once done, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and further tap on the Debit Cards option. And now scroll down and you will see the option for Activate Your Card. Tap on that and follow the on-screen prompts to activate your debit card and complete the process. So, this is how you can activate Chase debit card on app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.